Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah, I started.
Okay. So now, so let us. So actually, this one update profile options we already. So we need
We did for
to.
one operating unit.
Yeah, we need to update for other operating units.
Yeah.
So
And probably we should clean up, sir.
yeah, that one, right? Yeah. So yeah, we definitely will clean up that.
Yeah.
So for this, for cleanup, so let me set up organizations, and I tab. Okay, so now what we can do is, so let us go to system administrator and update the profile options to get that operating unit. So the previous operating unit and previous inventory arcs. So then we can go there and we can clear it. So inventory
Yeah.
and here uh, profile. So we can go to GL leader is not an issue, and HR secure profile I think. So we change
Yeah.
the HR secure profile. So let me reverse it, and then we have taken HR business group. So let me clear these two HR business group also. Okay. So now, so let me go to inventory organizations. So here we have AMAT. Okay. So now we need to clear these right. So
Yeah.
Santa
Yeah.
Clara. Okay. Santa Clara. So let us delete this one. You cannot
That's
delete
okay.
I
You'll
think
just.
you,
Yeah. Yeah.
that has organization. Okay. Okay. So I had deleted this one. One. And second, so this we don't need to delete. And inventory arcs. We need to delete inventory arcs. So for this, first we need to do this. So directly we are not able to delete because we need to delete because it is a classification is assigned. So just disable the classification. Oh, yeah, disable the classification. Then we can delete it.
Yeah. I lost your voice for some time.
Oh, because I don't
It was
know.
completely quiet.
Quite okay
Yeah.
because I don't know because whenever I get the call, so I'm getting it like that. So let me. Okay, close this one and save. This organization is referenced in the MTL tables. Okay, because we are not able to delete this in MTR. Mac. So otherwise, what we can do is so let us give the end date because we have the end date, right? The dates end date.
Mm-hmm.
So let us give the end.
Yeah.
So let us give the end date. today's date is so 1 minute, sir.
Hmm.
Hello. సార్ ఏం క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను. అది మార్నింగ్ క్లాస్ ఉంది. చెప్పండి సార్, ఏదైనా ఇంపార్టెంటా? మామూలుగా సార్ నేను కాల్ చేసిన ఒక 1 అవర్ తర్వాత చేస్తా. అది అది మేము చెప్పే కదా మీకు, ఫైనాన్స్ వాళ్ళు చేస్తున్నాను చెప్పని. అది okay. So let us give the end date. So I can give today's date 7th April 17. Okay. So we can end it like this and save it, and I can give the end date to HJC. Click on fine. So 7th April 17. So now we are fine with this. Okay. So now from tomorrow onwards, because we don't get Pradeep, you are able to
Those are.
those are, yeah.
Yeah, I can.
So now, let us go to, so we created all the responsibilities. It's not a response issue. So update profile options. So I think we created inventory, right? Inventory org as well. So first let us update the profile options. So for that, so we need to go to the inventory. Sorry, system administrator. So we have 3 profile options, main profile options. So we need to update all these 3. So GL ledger name, MO operating unit, and HR business group, and HR security profile as well. So let us check once again. So profile system. So first let us check for the inventory. And here I'm at inventory. So this one is already there. GL ledger. Yeah, this is already there. So next one is, let us go for the MO operating unit. MO operating unit. Okay. Actually, we ran the replicate sheet, right? I think we ran and we
we ran yesterday.
Yeah, we did it. Operating unit. Okay. So we need to update. So this one. Okay. I'm at AKTOU. Okay. So that is the operating unit. So we just define. So then let us check with the HR business group. So HR I'm at business group. And then HR security profile.
But I remember we did this already, right?
Yeah, we did. Just now I had deleted because we are not able to get the previous inventory, right? So that's why I just erased, and then now I had ended for all these things, for all the previous inventory orgs and also operating unit. So now we need to change. This is must and should, because we created new operating unit, and we need to upgrade for all. Okay, so here, I did it for inventory. So let us do for purchasing. Purchasing. So I'm at purchasing. So here GL lead journey. So okay, this is fine. So HR business group fine, and HR security profile, and MO security profile. So MO operating unit.
Mhm.
MO operating unit. So because by default it is actually it is going, so by default it is going to within operations. So
Vision operations.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So that's why we need to go for a AKTY. Okay. Because we deleted, right? So when once we
Yeah.
deleted
Yeah.
that org, so then what happens is by default it has taken within operations. So earlier
Correct.
yeah, ours is this one, right? So Santa Clara, right? So then once
Right.
we deleted it, so it has taken the within operation by default. So now we delete and payables I'm at AP. So then let me check GL ledger. Okay, I'm at ledger fine, and here MO operating unit. So I'm at operating unit. Save it, and HR business group. HR business group fine, and HR security proper. So this one we can go for MAT business group. That's fine. So now, so we have these only, right? So GL we don't need. So I think we need to update for HR. HR.
It's GL, we don't need, meaning it's already there, or
Yeah,
it
yeah,
doesn't impact.
yeah. Actually, we updated. GL works for the ledger only. So GL will not work for the
Oh, right.
multi-arc.
Right. Right.
So it's the main ledger only. So we updated the GL ledger name. So here for HR security profile is there, and HR business group. So and GL ledger name, GL ledger is there, and here MO operating unit. So this one also. And okay. Now we are fine with the profile options.
HRRs.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
profile options is fine. So and inventory periods. Okay, so let me go to the inventory period. So for that we need to go to the inventory and
But inventory periods, does it will it matter? Because I mean it's just periods, right? So
yeah, yeah, actually inventory periods means so because we need to open the periods for the particular arc inventory arc. So
oh, okay.
we need to create the items for the particular arc. So item is arc. As per the it works for the arc only items. So because while creation of
Uh-huh.
any item, purchase item or any kind of sales item or any kind of item, so we need to create as per the arg only. So we create in the arg itself, and here we are opening the arg periods. So when you click
Hmm.
on this, so here so we have this arg, right? So I'm at AKT. So just you are not able to see other arcs because we ended it that one.
Correct.
Yeah, so that's why. So that's a good idea. So your decision is great
Mm.
because if there
Yeah.
is other arcs, na, then we may be confused. So because
Yeah.
if we have the Santlakara arc and other arcs, so SVL, SJC, maybe you can
Right.
confuse. Like, so now we are having one arc.
Yeah.
So now we need to open the period. So this one I am opening. So that means that so then we can do the transactions in this period.
Yeah.
So now let us create a purchase item. So purchase item. So here items master item. So we will do quickly. We will complete all these things and these setups, and we need to complete employee. So employee. I think so employee all these things. So let us check that. So whether we have impact on it
Mm-hmm.
like this. So let us go through all the setups and then we will know that because we find the issue in the approval groups, right? So let us go through
Yeah.
all the approvals, then we can check it. So here I am taking a MAT purchase item, Control C, Control V, and here I am copying. So purchase template, on apply, and then save it. Save it. So next one is we need to go for the financial options, purchasing options. These are in the purchasing only. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so let us do purchasing kind of, because these are all operating unit specific. So whatever we are doing operating unit
Right.
specific. So we need to complete this one because we change the operating unit, right? We need to complete it. Actually, one of my friend is working in Oracle. So because
Mm-hmm.
actually he used to move on the companies for every 2 years. So that's why he got
Oh,
a good promotion in Oracle.
okay.
So myself, I worked continuously 11 years for one company like you. So he used
Yeah.
to keep on moving. So he is the AVP there. So assistant vice president
Oh,
for that company. So then I asked for them because nowadays what happens is getting the Oracle the Fusion Link, it is a crazy,
yeah. Okay.
yeah, very much crazy.
Cool.
So now we completed this one, and then next one is, so let us go to the purchasing. So here we need to work on the financial options. Okay, for this setup, so organizations and financial options. So here let us go through the amount. So I think we are not able to see, right? Amount.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, why is that?
Let So these are all different issues. Okay, so it is good to so we can learn because the main thing is profile options only because we need to check
Right.
profile options. So that is the main area in Oracle.
So now it is not coming up in the item category, right?
Yeah,
The
yeah, yeah,
GL.
yeah. Now I'm more operating in it. So it is there. So but let me check for the default
Should
like.
we seed it? You need to. We need to write any. I mean, generate any programs for this?
No need to write because actually I had taken the default program. So sometimes what happens is
Right.
so we need to check the profile options and we need
Mm-hmm.
to run the replicate seed data again. So sometimes it will not
Mm-hmm.
affect for all the modules. So let me check this one. So in this side, so whether we can get it now. So I had taken the default because the single MO operating unit is only for the single operating units. So then if we are using for multiple operating units, then we can go for the MO security profile. So next time what we can is once we complete the P2P cycle, we can create a 4 to 5 operating units and then we can work on the MO security profile.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. So that for the multiple operating units. So this one is setup, organizations, then financial options. Not getting. So in that case, what we can do is let us run the duplicate sheet data again. And also, while creation of this inventory R, we updated that one, right? We updated our latest operating return, right?
Yeah, we did.
We did, yeah. So let me check. So I'm at okay, on inventory. So one accounting information, we did it. I'm at, okay. So let us run the replica stated again, and then we can check it.
Yeah, the seeded programs. Yeah.
Because it will affect for all the modules. I'm at 32, submit. So usually some people used to train that, so they used to go for vision operations, and then they should. But if we do for vision operations, then we don't know anything. So even if you are implementing
Yeah.
a fresh implementation, so then vision operation is it's already implemented, right? So
Yeah.
so we can't face anything. But while implementing, we will face all these things, all these kind of issues. So that's
Yeah.
why if we implement on our own client, so then we will know that. So we will know everything, and while implementing, we will see all these issues. Yeah, okay, so done. And I'm at PO, set of organizations and financial options. So where is the issues? Yeah, we are able to see that one, and we completed
Yeah.
this one. We completed replicate data. We create multi-R setups. System admin also we did it. It's a crazy. So I need to check whether there should be any kind of MO security profile, because if you are using MO operating units, we don't use MO security profile. So let me check this field, MO security profile. So here also we are not using anything.
They are not. Yeah, we did not update it.
Yeah, we didn't update this one. Correct. No operating unit. So earlier we didn't mention, right, this one default. So we
Yeah, we
yeah, we updated this one only.
no.
It's not.
I think somewhere in profile options we missed it.
Profile options. is there. So can we give the default one?
Oh, we did. In fact, we gave it, right, sometime back.
Yeah, we did for purchasing, not for this one.
Uh,
So then purchasing.
I think we are missing one or something. Maybe when we created the operating unit for AKT,
Okay.
we did not map it to what is missing now. Business group. Business group is already mapped, right?
Yeah, we have business group. Yeah. And also, if you check the GL ledger, so set up financial, ledger, operating unit. So this one, so because
Yeah, it's mapped.
yeah, it is mapped only. So it is mapped to MAT business group only. So can we go with the security profile? So whether we are able to do that security profile, MO security profile. For that, we need to create a multiple operating units, 2, 3 operating units.
No, but oh, now I'm confused. So if I practice,
Yeah,
probably
yeah.
I might also get to this stage and
Correct,
get
correct,
stuck.
correct. That is true.
Yeah. Mm.
So because the mapping is correct only. So OU and business group and legal entity, everything is fine. And if I go to so inventory also, it is fine. Inventory, we don't find any issue for the inventory. Purchasing, that. The default operating, we didn't give a default operating unit, but I just had given that whether we can get it like this. And more security profile. So let me clear so whether we can get it like more security profile. Your business group. Your security profile. That's fine. Yeah, now we got it. So that means that so we need to delete. So initially it was not there, but so now so I had deleted MO security
Mm-hmm.
profile. I had deleted MO security profile.
Okay.
Go to the system administrator. I'm just mentioning here.
But it was not there yesterday, right? In multi-arc security.
Yeah, yesterday what happens is we are able to get all the operating units.
Mm-hmm.
So the operating units which are there, which are available in the instance, and also MAT as well.
Right, right, right.
So today, because even we changed that one, but we deleted, right, everything we deleted. So
Yeah. Okay, that's fine.
now, so what we did is, so let us do the same thing for even for the payables as well. Yeah, most secure profile. Okay. So
It's
now
not there.
it's not there. Okay. So now what we can see is, so delete the secure profile at site level and responsibility level. Okay, there are two things. One is so here we just mentioned, right. So one is for, so where it is. So we mentioned the update business group profile option inventory. So if we did it initially, maybe we didn't face all these issues. So then
Yeah.
yeah. So now, so let us go to the financial options now. Let us work on that. So even the real time also, so we used to struggle. So for some issues, so some kind of user issues.
Mm-hmm.
So we used to struggle and we used to fight with the dev instance. So ultimately, so sometimes we'll get it. So otherwise, so we will fight for 1 or 2 days. If it is not a critical issue, if it is a critical issue, then we'll fight for one day. Then we'll check with the Oracle. So we'll raise a SR
Yeah.
like that. So if it is critical for the company or revenue effect like that,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
organizations and then financial options. So now we can go for 2 periods and liability account. This is the liability account. So then we'll complete this one. So prepayment is kind of asset and discount taken into the expense account. And here software purchasing, we need to update MAT. So that inventory. I think here in the human resource, I think we will get hours only. So earlier we didn't get, we
Mm-hmm.
got it within of it.
Yeah, yeah.
So now it is fine. It is mapped, fully mapped because that business group is mapped with the operating unit. So I think
Operating unit.
yeah, I think now we will get position and all these things. I think. So let us go
Yeah.
to the
But we need more than one operating unit to try the multi-arc, right? Or we don't?
the multi so for multi-arc access control MOAC. So we will create later.
Yeah.
So because
Yeah.
now we are working for one operating.
Later. Okay.
So we will work on the
Right, right, right.
MOAC, multi-arc access control. So now, so financial options, we did the financial options, and let us go for the purchasing options. So the same thing, the purchasing options. So here we have updated all the fields, so all the optional fields.
Mm.
So this enforced lot quantity, so we have taken none only.
Yep.
So then after that we had taken receive for the receive close point, received, and it is cancel is optionally. And then we enable notify and allow item quantity and enforce buyer supplier code. And here line type we have taken goods. So goods, then matching two-way matching, and then expense accrual account. We have taken the expense accrual account. So accrual is its liability account. Create self. So here we are going for automatic, and like this, so we can change the numbering.
So we did this right once for
Yeah,
purchasing options.
we did it, but it is operating unit specific, right? So that's
Oh, yeah.
that's why.
Those two operating units are okay.
Yeah. Because these setups are operating unit specific. Because if the company is using
Correct. Correct.
10 operating units, we need to do 10 times for each and everything.
10
So
times.
maybe so some operating units their accounts are different, and also maybe their options are different. So document controls, all these things will be different. So that's why
Yeah.
while implementing the application, so we need to check the multi-arc. So in that multi-arc itself, we will know that how many inventory arcs we are using and how many operating units we are using. So based on that, so we will know how many resources we need to involve, and how much what about the project duration, like that. So based on everything is based on multi-arc only.
Okay.
So now let us go for the receiving options. In the same way, we have the receiving options. So and select the inventory arc. So I'm at inventory arc, and here we can go for 2 days early and 3 days late, and we can go for standard receipt. Okay, and tolerance is 0. And receipt numbering, this one is unrestricted. RMA receipts. Now we need to create the, so accounts. Inventory account, fixed asset account. So create, select.
That's still correct.
Yeah. So now clearing account. So we can take the same clearing account, asset account only, then save it. So now we need to open the period. So periods it's not a problem, I think. So let me check, because yeah, periods also operating at specific, right? So let us check. Setup, financials, accounting, then open close periods. Yeah, because as it is a ledger, so not this one, purchasing period, control purchasing. So that is the integration. So wherever, so we are able to see in PO as well for GL periods. So now, yeah, it is operating in specific only, because periods also. Okay, everything is in the subledgers. Everything is operating in specific only. So we need to do all the setups for the operating. So that's why it will take some time. So now what I can do is let me open the. So January period is already open, and so this one is here. Yeah, January, February, March, so all are open. So and we need to open the first April period. It's fine. Now we are fine with this. So then let us go to the next step. So here, so these are all done. Okay. Define buyer. So buyer is not a so operating specific. So let me check it, because it's personal buyer. Because we can check. So actually, I had given your name, right? For this. Yeah. So yeah, we have it. So it's not issue. Buyer is not issue. And the employee assign buyer to user, that is fine. So now here we had so different job. So let us go to the HRMS. So HR. So because this one is work structure, job, and description. Yeah, we have this one. I'm at consulting. Job is fine. The position also it's not a problem, because these are all related to the business group only. So we have no issues. And then let us check with approval groups we did. So now let us go for the approval assignment.
We did, right? Approval assignment and approval groups.
Yeah. Approval assignments. While doing the approval assignments, we have the issue. So
we had the problem.
Yeah. We had the issue. Sorry. So then setup. So then approvals. Then approval groups we did. So now we need to do again, I think, approval groups, because it's the operating unit specific, right? So now we need to do it again. So now what we can do is, so I'm at approve group. Nothing. So control C, control V, document total, and I'm taking 100,000. Yeah. So now, so let us go to the account range. So here 100,000. So give the low value and high value. And save it. So now let us go to the approval assignments. Here we need approval assignments.
Position is not coming still.
Yeah, position is not coming, right?
Hello?
Yeah, yes, sir. So position is not coming still. Correct. So,
Yeah.
so let us check the position. So position. So here work structures,
I
position.
think that's where we got stuck yesterday.
Yeah, yeah. So we stuck there itself. Yeah, correct. So position. So we have 001 is on working. Position.
Consulting, right? AMAT.
Yeah. Let me check whether it is
No.
query. We can query like this. Yeah. So here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this we have.
Yeah.
Yeah. We completed. So I met the business group and everything is there. So because we are not getting. So here
Yeah, there is one mandate.
yeah, here we didn't find so the assignment between the
Hierarchies.
hierarchy. So we created a hierarchy as
Yeah.
well.
We created hierarchy yesterday, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So it's fine. But main thing is so where the operating unit is. So because it's the operating unit specified, so I didn't see the operating unit. So for the assignments we had given these things. Okay. So job and position we assigned. Uh, so it's crazy. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah,
This
we
is
did
where
all. Yeah, we did all. Then it's not.
maybe should we run any program now again to make it reflected here, or
So this one, yeah, yesterday we ran it, right? So we ran some programs.
yeah,
So
we did, we
fill up,
did.
yeah, fill up and everything. So what we can do? So let me run program. So there is one program is there. So we request submit a request. Click on OK and fill up. So there is a fill employee hierarchy. So yeah, so now maybe it will work. I think so because it's operating unit level, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me check whether it will work or not. Fine.
Yeah, I think it's running now. So
Yeah.
probably this might fix.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
So now set up organizations, set up uploads, then upload assignments.
mhm. Oh, my battery is running.
So we will find no problem. So we will find, but it will take time because it's
Yeah.
so usually so even in the real time also it's a kind of a drigging. So
Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
It's good. Only when we get problems, we'll
yeah,
learn.
correct. So what I can do is let me create let me create because we should run because it is filled up by operating right. So okay, sir. Weekend low. So
Hmm.
we'll check all the setups in the weekend. So we'll find.
Hmm.
So we'll find and
Okay.
we'll come with the fresh because mainly. So
Uh-huh.
we are good with the operating unit and business group integration. So now
Right, right, right.
earlier we had that problem.
Uh-huh.
So now we need to map that position to operating unit. So that one.
Correct.
So what I can do is we'll create one more position, one more job, and
Uh-huh.
we'll try to do that one. See if it is work
Sure.
out. We'll check
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah in the weekend, and I will let you
Yeah.
know what I did for all these things. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah. We can do that. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
sure. Huh?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Okay.
Right, and have a happy
Yeah,
weekend.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
Bye.
Yeah, your daughter is having very beautiful English.
Okay.
So she's 6 years old, right?
She's 6 years
Yeah,
old.
yeah. So
Correct,
no,
correct.
no, no. The thing is that so I observed so because the kids only learn easily. Okay. So my relative,
Yeah.
so